Hey guys, welcome back to Joy Brush. So in Chinese painting, ink is the host and the guests are colors. So here we have two different types of color. One is watercolor, the other one is traditional Chinese painting colors. The main difference between the two is the ingredient. So Chinese painting uses minerals. So here you can see we have a very basic set of color. There are many different brands. This is a very common brand that you could pretty much find in every art store. I recommend tubes for beginners. It's very easy to use and it's also portable. So we all know Impressionist painter invented tubes of paint so they could actually go outside their studios and paint the real world, paint the changing light. And they obviously emphasize on brush strokes as well. The other set that I want to show you, which you've seen a lot in my painting tutorial, is this. It's very easy to use. You just need to wet your brush and you could even mix your color on here, but that depends on the artist. It's created by a Japanese company. It's also been used by Japanese painters. So there are also other options like these. Mineral colors in a ceramic plate. So after you open it, it's very easy to use. You just need to wet it and dip your brush in there. So here we have 紫色, a brown color, and 花青, a deep blue color. So it's also easy to store. There are also other paints that I used in my painting. I like using these paints by Swan, especially their titanium white. You see it a lot in my paintings. We have some of the really beautiful greens, 花青, and I also use this yellow a lot. These are really thick paint. It almost feels like a poster color. And some of the professional Chinese painters uses this. This is actually a really beautiful yellow color. It's called Teng Huang. It's very pricey. All you need to do is you dip your brush in here with water and gradually get the color out and let it dry once you are done. This is very poisonous, so make sure you wash your hand after using it. There's also this type of paint that comes in a little paper box. So what's in here? Let's take a look. So when you open it, they look like these little mineral blocks. It's actually really easy to use. All you need to do is to get a ceramic plate, sprinkle the mineral blocks in here, and just add a few drips of water and dip your brush in there. That's all. That's how you get the colors out. So the last one I want to show you is a very fun paint. This. So when you look at it, it actually looks just like the Chinese painting tubes, but it's not. It's a oil painting color set. So what it means is you could actually do Chinese painting on a canvas, like how you do oil painting or acrylic painting. So this is really fun. Try it out on canvas. You never know what you could create. I think that concludes everything. And I'll make sure to add some links down below for you to find these color options. Until next time.